Good morning, kids! It's a brand new day to be FUN, fit and healthy! Hi, friends! I'm Roinil. Let's wake up, stretch, and keep our teeth shiny and clean.
It's brush time! Grab your toothbrush and sing along.
Good morning, sunshine. Time to brush my teeth and make them sparkle.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth morning and at night. Make your smile all clean and bright, that's the healthy way. Up and down and round, brush the germs away. Fun and fit and healthy kids, smile big every day. Front teeth, back teeth, shiny white. Brush them nice and slow. Drink some water, feel so fresh. Now we're good to go. Up and down and round, brush the germs away. Fun and fit and healthy kids, smile big every day.
Up and down and round, brush the germs away. Fun and fit and healthy kids, smile big every day.
Clean teeth mirror a health smile. Roinil always brushes in the morning and before bedtime.
Morning and night, that's right. Brushing keeps us strong, fit, and healthy.
Great job, Roinil. Clean teeth, happy smile, healthy child. Good night, friends. Let's grow strong and healthy together.